Assalamu alaikum and welcome to R&F UK VLOGS. Now you might have noticed that there's ads when you watch this channel, which means that this channel is monetized. We just want to thank our family and friends for all their support, and also, very importantly, the viewers who watched this channel and helped it grow. We celebrated the day by not cooking and having a pizza party. It was just a small celebration as we're in lockdown, and sadly couldn't invite our family and friends. I decided to treat myself also on buying a new blingy kitchen edition, which I'd like to share with you now. Now those that know me, they know I like bling and sparkly things. I'm just like a magpie. And here they are, my new kitchen sugar, tea and coffee pots. If you like bling and sparkly things like me, then I would highly recommend these. They look so pretty. Here's my old ones, which I had for many years, but thanks to my husband accidentally breaking one, I had to go and look for something new. These are a bit pricey, but visually they look amazing and have brightened up my kitchen. Thanks for watching and your continued support. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with your family and friends.